Tonight I'm going to make a spaghetti squash in my air fryer. I'm going to start with making a simpleton sauce. I'll link the video below, and then the actual cooking of the spaghetti squash in the air fryer is pretty quick. This should be a relatively short video. Okay, you've probably had spaghetti squash before, so there's no secret here. Cut it in half. I like to cut it lengthwise. Some people like to cut it in rings. They say it makes the spaghetti strands longer. You can scoop out the seeds, clean them, and roast them. I used to do that. That's just way too much work. So I just scoop them out and throw them away. Your choice. So once they're cleaned up, I'm told you should poke some holes in it so water doesn't get trapped and it explodes. I've never had an exploding spaghetti squash, but you know, why not? It doesn't cost anything. Now, the exploding spaghetti squash might be an old wives' tale. If you're out there and you're an old wife, let me know. Because I don't think it would explode. Anyway, I've never done this in the air fryer before, only in the oven, so being extra cautious. So once you're ready to go, you just pour actually quite a bit of olive oil in. Now I'm only cooking half because I'm one person and I can't eat a whole spaghetti squash, but the other bit can go in the fridge and it can be dinner in coming days. I've made enough simpleton sauce that should be fine, or they're just good with just butter, really. For seasoning, I'm going to use, and I'm using quite a bit of olive oil because I'm worried the air fryer is going to dry it out. I've never done this in the air fryer before. So, I'm going to use just a touch of garlic powder, a touch of seasoning salt. Don't go too heavy on the salt, because there's salt in the simpleton sauce as well. And then black pepper. And that's really about it. Okay, this is going to go in the air fryer for about 30 minutes at 185 Celsius. And we'll see how it comes out. After 25 minutes, it looks like this. I'm sure those of you who've eaten spaghetti squash before already know that you just take a fork and pull out the strands. So one thing I will mention, I guess I get more steam in the oven because these strands seem drier. I don't know if that's going to really affect the quality of the eating much. And like I said, this is probably where I burned the crap out of my hands, so if you keep watching, you probably learn a new swear word or so. I'm thinking today it'll probably have something to do with elves and dwarves, maybe? I don't know. So I screwed up the last part of the other video. So this is what it looks like with the cilantro on it, with the simpleton sauce. Basically, it tasted very good. It comes out like spaghetti. And yeah, I think I like doing it in the air fryer.